Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we'll use ChatGPT to generate Midjourney prompts, saving you time and effort. Creating perfect prompts can be tricky, but AI can streamline the process. Let's dive in and create awesome prompts with ChatGPT to experiment and refine. I typed something in ChatGPT, like write a generative prompt to create a picture of a car. However, the result wasn't exactly what we needed, because ChatGPT doesn't naturally write prompts in the style Midjourney requires. So we're training ChatGPT to write prompts the way we want them for Midjourney. Let's get started with training ChatGPT to understand a specific prompt formula. Now we need to teach ChatGPT the structure of the prompts. This is the foundation of our work. So I'll give ChatGPT a formula to follow. For this example, let's use a basic photography prompt formula that includes the following elements: image subject, camera type, lens type, time of day, style, and film type. So I'll simply type out this formula for ChatGPT. I'll then ask ChatGPT to respond with yes if it understands the formula. This way, we know it's ready to generate prompts for us based on this structure. Always be clear about the structure you want ChatGPT to follow, so it knows exactly what you're asking for. This helps avoid confusion and makes the process much more efficient. Now that ChatGPT understands the formula, we're going to use it to generate Midjourney prompts. Let's say I want to generate 5 prompts for urban photography. I'll ask ChatGPT to follow the formula we just created and provide 5 prompts. Example prompt to ChatGPT: generate 5 urban photography prompts using the formula we discussed earlier. Now let's take those generated prompts and put them to the test in Midjourney. I'm going to copy the first prompt and paste it into Midjourney. Once that's done, I'll add an aspect ratio to the prompt for a more specific output. For example, I might add double dash or 16:9. We're telling Midjourney to generate a landscape style image. After running this, we'll see how the image turns out and how closely it matches the prompt. Now that we've seen how the basic photography formula works, let's try something a bit more creative with a different prompt formula. This time, we'll focus on a more artistic approach. Here's a formula that includes subject, art style, 3 key attributes, action, background, and mood. Let's use this formula to generate prompts for famous musicians. Example prompt to ChatGPT: generate prompts for famous musicians using the following formula: subject, art style, 3 key attributes, action, background, desired mood. These prompts are designed to generate unique artistic. Let's test them out in Midjourney and see how the AI interprets these prompts. Using ChatGPT to generate Midjourney prompts is a powerful way to streamline your creative process, acting as a second brain to refine ideas and test different styles. To sum it up, ChatGPT can save time by automating the prompt generation process, generate more varied and creative prompts with specific details, act as a powerful brainstorming tool, providing endless inspiration. If you enjoyed this video and want to dive deeper into AI-powered creativity, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI tips and tricks. Also, drop a comment below and let me know how you've been using AI to enhance your creative projects. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences.